All right, today we're going to tackle a classic logistics puzzle that has a huge real-world impact.
So, let's dive right in. Picture a company trying to find the absolute cheapest way to ship its products.
Well, this puzzle actually has a name, the transportation problem. It's all about minimizing that total cost.
So the goal is simple, right? Meet all the demand, stay within your supply limits, and spend less money.
But before we can solve anything, we have to ask a key question. Is our supply equal to our demand?
See, a problem can be balanced where everything matches up or unbalanced where it doesn't.
In this case, we've got 850 units of supply, but only 700 in demand. That's an unbalanced problem.
So we have an extra 150 units. The question is, what does our model do with that surplus?
It's a pretty neat two-step fix. First, find the difference, then add a dummy destination to the mix.
And here's how it works. This dummy column absorbs that extra 150, basically treating it as inventory.
Okay, now that our puzzle is perfectly balanced, we can actually find a solution. This happens in two phases.
Phase 1 is all about finding a solid starting point, an initial plan that actually works and meets all the rules.
There are a few ways to do this, like the least cost method, which just prioritizes the cheapest routes first. But a good start isn't always the best solution, you know? Phase 2 is where we find the optimal one.
For that, we use a technique called the MODI method. It helps us systematically improve the plan and lower the cost.
And the result is a concrete plan. It tells the company exactly what to ship from where to where.
And here is the payoff. Optimization takes a decent plan and makes it a great one, saving a ton of money.
You know, this kind of logic isn't just for shipping. Think about managing any limited resource you have. It really makes you wonder, what other complex problems in business could be optimized with an approach like this?